Hey guys, welcome to Login Up. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your YouTube channel online on your computer. And now to delete your YouTube site, Google browser first. First, you'll be required to log your Gmail account with which you delete. Log into your Google account by email or by signing, and already logged into my Gmail on my computer. Will not be required to log in to your associate channel you want to delete. Being said, after logging email account, tab on your browser, type in video youtube.zip and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the creator studio of your Gmail. Channel has no video. Delete. You're required to click on the setting. And after you land over here, you can see the channel option available here just below the general. Tap on the channel like this, and over here you can see the available for us. Click on that advanced settings like this and scroll down to the end of the page, and here you can see, guys, there are two settings, which is your YouTube account and remove your YouTube content. In order to delete your YouTube channel, you'll be on the remove YouTube content like this. Click content and you'll be directed to this page, which is the sign in page of your account. Again, verify that it's you, and after entering your password, click on next. And log into it's yourself. After direct your account from the panel, you can see that there is an option which says I want to hide my channel, and there is another option which says I want to permanently delete my content. So in order to delete channel, click on I want to delete my content permanently. Second option, clicking over here this content, and enter your email address over here like this, and after that click on delete my available over here, and then your YouTube channel will be your account on. And with that being said, there guys, this is how you do your YouTube channel. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.